So today I went to Ikea to have a look at some decor ideas and also to shop around. Quite liked this kitchen, it had a very modern feel to it. I like the white cabinets in this kitchen area. And the dinner table here was really nice. I like how they set up the table. Loved the flowers hanging from the ceiling. Thought that was a really good idea. This would be a kid's bedroom, so it's very bright and colourful. I like how they displayed the bags in that wardrobe. I went to the cafe area to grab some food. So I got the vegetarian and also some coffee meatballs, which are corn and some peas and gravy, and also a brownie. And then I carried on walking. I quite like walking through Ikea. It's quite interesting to see the different setups. Then I went to Tesco's. They had really pretty colourful flowers. They looked fake, but they were actually real. I don't know how they were this bright and colourful, but it looked really nice. When I got home, I had some spicy rice, which I made, and also some jerk chicken with some peppers. And I did some work on my laptop. For dessert, I had some fruit cocktail. I added some single cream to it. It is actually a really nice combination because it's creamy and sweet. Adding the cream does make a really nice difference. And then I had a cream soda. It did taste like an ice cream, which was nice. And I also had a bread with Nutella in it. I had accumulated a few chocolate milk trays, so this is another one that I've had. I like the different variety in these packs. And then later in the day I had some crisps, which were hand cooked. And then I had some mushroom soup as well. It was really creamy. For dessert, I made like a chocolate dessert. It was just a quick dessert. I used some squirty cream. I added some Angel Delight powder. Then I mixed it together, and this became like a chocolate mousse type of substance. It was quite thick and creamy. I then added some milk. And then I added some more of the powder and I mixed it together. When I finished making this, I put it in the fridge and I let it to set, and it was like a chocolate mousse. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.